Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In the last episode, I showed you guys me putting in some money into this trading bot and generating passive income. That bot over on Poloniex, the site that I was using that I showed you guys, it was so strategic, it was so smart that actually out of around 1,000 trades, I only lost like 2. The bot was super safe and consistent. The only problem with that bot was it was not risky enough for me. Yes, I'm going to generate a couple of percents every single month, but I'm looking for the home run right now, guys. So what I did, I changed up my settings and I switched to a different bot inside of Poloniex. I switched to the Infinity Grid bot. So 7 days ago, I put $1,000 into the Infinity Grid bot. And today I'm going to show you guys the results. The results might shock you. But enough talking. Let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on the Poloniex website. I'm gonna leave this link down in the description along with Coinbase. That's how I send money over. Before we get into the results, let me show you guys what we was talking about last week. Last week we was doing the spot future arbitrage bot. I put $1,000 into that. It trades not the market really, it trades the difference in between the spot price and the leverage price. So if the spot price is at $49,000 for Bitcoin and the futures price is $49,005, then it's gonna trade in between those two and you collect the difference as profit. That is kind of like Binance posting it at this price and Coinbase posting Bitcoin at this price. If it's a little difference, the bot would trade in between the two, and that's how we generate passive income. It was super safe, rarely lost. I said about between 1,000 trades, I might have lost like 2, and when you lose, you was only losing like a little small percentage. But overall, that bot was running super smooth, super safe. But I want to be more risky, so we was using the spot future bot. So the bot that I did switch over to is right here, the Infinity Grid bot. It is best when you believe that Bitcoin or Ethereum or any of the other coins are in the bull market. So we come over right here. This is just a quick example of how the bot trades. It sets up grids. It buys low, sell high, buy low, and sell high. This is the grid trading bot. The only difference in between the grid trading bot and the Infinity Grid trading bot is that the Infinity grids continuously move up and down. So that's the only difference in between the two. If we want to go right here into Infinity Grids and hit create, it could kind of show you guys your returns based on the last 30 days. Now I did Ethereum USD. Over the last 30 days, it's been doing pretty well, and it could show you your yearly returns of over 100%, 102%. Right now, unfortunately, the minimum that you could do is 1,700. When I set up the bot, it was around 1,000. But I'm gonna show you guys how to set up your bot after I show you guys my results. But there are other coins that did extremely well. Now, Ethereum USD is the easiest one to set up. But if you guys have just a little bit more money, one that I would look into is the Bitcoin Ethereum one. So it trades the prices in between Bitcoin and Ethereum. You'll be holding Bitcoin. So at the end of the day, you'll have even more Bitcoin. And as you guys can see, over the last 30 days, your results would be even better. Yearly, you can look at percentage of over 150%. If you guys are holding Bitcoin. But let's just switch back over to Ethereum USDT right quick. So let me get into my results right quick, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up. So in 3, 2, 1, bam, here go my results right here. At the end of the week, let's look at details. I am up 5% in just a single week, up $55. Now let me tell you guys something, right? If it wasn't for YouTube, I would be up so much more. Let's go back right quick. Now, at one point in time, I think I started the bot on Sunday. By Wednesday, I was up $200. That would have been a perfect time for me to stop the bot and restart the bot with $1,200, right? Other than me just having in $962. Well, I didn't put in $1,000. I put in $962. So my profit is still $54. I'm still up 5% in just 7 days, guys. That is amazing. The stock market moved at 6 to 7% in a year. I made that in just a single week. Now I was up $200. I would have stopped the bot. I would have $1,200 in my account, and then I would have restarted the bot so it could trade with even more money. and that way it would have started new infinity grids markings on the chart. But unfortunately for YouTube, I didn't want to touch the bot, so I let it run for a full 7 days, and I am still up 5%. In fact, on the day alone, I am down $90, down 10%. So when I woke up this morning, I was still up 15%, probably $150, $149. But unfortunately, I had to wait the full 7 days to give you guys the real results. I didn't want to sugarcoat anything. I didn't want to tell you this bot is amazing. I didn't want to tell you this bot sucks. But over the course of full 7 days, I am up 5.57%, 5.6%. So around $50-ish in a given week. So has this bot been successful? Yes. I know a lot of you guys have started on the spot future arbitrage bot. If you want to make more money faster, I switched to the infinity grid bots. I don't want to tell you guys what to do. It is a little bit more risky, but I did switch to the infinity grid bots. And if we take a look right here, here it goes. Over the course of an entire year, if I keep making 5% a week, I will be up 240% in a single year, generating more Ethereum for me. It actually shows the orders right here, transactions. So it shows the orders where you win and the orders where you lose. So this bot has did over 1,677 trades. Majority of them, well, starting off, majority of them was all wins. It's just that the last day, this when Bitcoin had a little pull, when Ethereum had a little pull back this morning and this afternoon, that's when it took a big hit to the bot. Had to move the grids around to readjust, and now it was looking like it's starting to want to recover. So that's that. Let me show you guys exactly how I set up the bot. It's very easy. All you have to do is go to deposit. It's fairly easy. So right here, we're on Tether. If you guys want to do the Bitcoin Ethereum bot, you'll just change it over to Bitcoin. But let me show you guys Tether right quick. USDT, you want to change it over to the ERC20 token. That's the one that Coinbase uses. And then we're going to pull up Coinbase on my phone right quick. God damn. Okay, here we are over on Coinbase. If we wanted to send some, we'll click on our USDT wallet. We could hit trade. We could buy more USDT, so we could buy like $2,000 worth of USDT. And then once we want to send it over, we'll hit the arrow at the top right there. That's the send button. Let's say we want to send over, I got $80 in there. Let's say $80. You hit continue. Not now. And then you click the QR code at the top right to bring up the screen. And then you want to come right here and click on that QR code right there. And it's bam, just that quick. The QR code pops up. It scans it, the wallet code pops up right here, and then you hit preview send, and then you hit send. It's that simple. So if you guys do need a Coinbase account, I'm gonna leave the link down to Coinbase in the description. I think if you sign up, deposit money, you get a free $10 worth of Bitcoin. So I'm gonna leave the links to Poloniex and Coinbase down in the description for you guys to try out these bots. And there we go, YouTube. Now I could have did it in just 3 days, been very successful, but I want to give you guys the full 7 days without me touching it, because a lot of you guys don't know how to trade really, and you want to put your money inside a bot and let the bot do all the trading for you. Me, I'm a little bit more advanced. I know when it's at its high, I know when it's at its low. I would have sold, but I want to give you guys the real spill and not sugarcoat anything on if you put $1,000 into a bot, $2,000, $10,000 into a bot and don't touch it, how would your bot perform? And that's why I showed you guys today. Now, if Ethereum decides to shoot back up before the end of the night, I would love it. I'll update you guys over on my Patreon and on my Instagram. Both of those links will be down in the comment section. But other than that, guys, if you have been using the arbitrage trading bot, go down in the comment section and let me know how have that bot been performing. And if you are going to decide to switch over to the infinity grid bot, let me know down in the comment section what you think about it. But before we go, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button and hit that notification bell, because it helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.